瑞士顶个月发生冰川扬起，甲砖头带起来。即阵有专家去到当地调查，发现这冰川唔但扬甲真紧，而且下底是出现真侪破坑。
瑞士的冰河扬的速度是真惊人。专家最近来到罗纳冰川做考察，发现讲今年因为雪量减少，加上热映的季节就要来啊，冰河的高度伫无够一年就大幅消退。
When we drilled this stake in the last September, the ice surface was somewhere up here where my hand is, and now this is already melted. So part of the melting comes from last fall, and now the melting has set in quite early in the season.
专家讲，差不多30年前，迄当阵冰川的状况较健康的时阵，当年差不多是有4公尺高的冰量流失，但是即马即种流失的速度是一日啊紧真济。亲像2022年出现极端现象，冰站伫1年之内是随直降要10公尺。即马研究人员阁发现讲，这冰站下骹是出现有真济敢若是瑞士的气势表面迄种坑，研判成为水流真紧，还是空气流过冰站内部的膨造成的。
If there are some channels in the ice through which air is circulating, this can excavate big holes under the ice. So therefore there is also a new melting process from the base of the glacier. And we are seeing that this is accelerating with climate change again because we have additional heat inputs from the sides.
专家烦恼冰川下骹的坑会因为暖化加速变大，和冰河消失的速度是变甲搁较紧。建议会当救冰河上简单的方法，就是大家人拢会当减少二氧化碳的排放。目前这个任务已经是袂当搁等爱谁做的。公司新闻张慧斌编译。